Welcome to Project Possible. Today I'm going to talk about how you can use OpenRent website effectively. OpenRent is an online letting agent and property service provider. It is a UK-based startup company focused on technological solutions to property rentals. It was founded in 2012 and it became the UK's biggest letting agent in 2015. This website is useful for both landlords and the tenants. For the landlords, it provides 100% free advertising option. There are no hidden fee, there are no renewal fee. For the tenants, there are no admin fee and their rent and deposit are protected. Their most popular services are for advertising and tenancy creation. Apart from that, they also offer other services like tenant referencing, gas safety certificate, professional photography, and many more. How convenient is that? Now, if you haven't subscribed yet to our channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you will get notifications when the videos are being posted. Now let's see how we can make use of this website and how we can use it effectively. So you go to the Google homepage and you type the address www.openrent.co.uk, and then that will take you to the homepage of OpenRent website. Now, if you are a new landlord, you can choose to create a free listing on OpenRent. As you can see here, it is giving you an option of free advertising. But if you want to purchase any of their paid packages, it will give you access to Rightmove, Zoopla, Gumtree, and many more sites. Now, even if you choose to list on OpenRent only at first, you can upgrade your listing for full access to their partner sites at any point until it is let, for up to maximum of 3 months. Now, once you have found your tenants, you can then go ahead and set up the tenancy using the Rent Now services, for which the fee is £49. This would include tenancy agreement, deposit handling, first month's rent collection, and they are all handled by just one-off fee, that is £49. They will also give us the option to order references on any tenants for just £20 per reference. And if you look at this price package, it's for £29, where the advertisement of the property would be done in Rightmove, Zoopla, Gumtree, and other popular websites. Now, for example, if I'm the landlord and I have a property which I would like to advertise for, so how would I do that? So you go to add listing and you scroll down and then you type the postcode of the property that you want to advertise for. So I've just written here, I've just typed an example in here. Then you find the address. And then you choose the street, and then are you advertising for a whole property or are you advertising only for a room? What type of property is it? How many bedrooms? How many bathrooms do you have? Is it furnished or unfurnished? And the EPC rating. Then comes the option of property description. Now you don't have to worry about writing a description, because they have a smart option, that is generate smart description. So I'll just click on that and I will show you what happens to the property description when you choose that option. Now, as you scroll down, you've got tenancy details now. So how much of rent do you want from the tenants? What is the deposit amount that you need? The minimum tenancy length of stay, the earliest that they can move in, the other features available in your property, tenant preferences, whether you want to have students or you don't want to have students, so you can choose all your options in here. If you have any photos or videos that you want to upload, you can upload it in here. If you have a YouTube video of your property, you can share the URL in here, and then you say submit and preview. Now, when you're saying submit and preview, it's just previewing your advertisement. So no one can see it yet. It's only you who can see it. Once you're happy with the advertisements, then you just click on to publish now, and then it would be available for everyone to see and inquire about the property. So you would get notification on the dashboard about how many tenants are inquiring for this property. Now, with regards to the smart description that I mentioned earlier, so you can see in here, the property is being smartly described. It has described the website, the property really well. So that was an example. If you have a property which you would want to advertise for. Now, if you're a landlord thinking where would be the best place for me to invest my property in, you can use OpenRent website for that as well. So I'll just take you back to the home page. And then you just type any place that you want. For example, I'm choosing Liverpool University. It's just an example. And then when you choose that area, you can see that it is showing these many properties that is available in Liverpool, in and around Liverpool University. So it is telling us how many properties are available. It is telling us what type of properties are available, like there's flats, there's houses that's available. And then it also tells us about the average current rent amount that is running around in this area. It also gives us an idea about the supply and the demand of the property in this area. Now, how does that happen? So as you can see in here, it says last updated around 2 days ago. Then as you scroll down, you can see last updated around 4 days ago. So for example, if I'm viewing this area for about a month, and I see only 1 or 2 properties being listed in a month, that means the supply of properties is quite less in this area. But instead, if I see more than 7 or 8 properties be listed in a month, and whatever was listed earlier that is already being sold or being rented, that would mean both the supply and the demand of the properties in that particular area is really high. So then that would be the best place for you to invest the property in that area. So that was about how you can use OpenRent website effectively. I hope you like this video. If there are any questions, please post it in the comments. And if anyone has had any previous experience in using the OpenRent website, please do share your experience and post it in the comments. If you haven't signed up yet, you can click on the link which is in the description below, and you can sign up for Project Possible. Thank you.